everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I'm going to show you a couple of ways that I've incorporated into my hair routine on ways to boost your hair growth. And these are products that I've used and incorporated in my videos so many times, so feel free to watch my videos and check them out. I want to say a big shout out to Pureauty Naturals for sponsoring this video. Also in the description down below, you will be able to see more information about the company. One thing that I've been using for a long time now is their hair Biotin, their Biotin hair serum. Now, the Biotin hair serum that I used from them in the past, this has been it. This is the original one that I've been using for months and months and months, and they just came out with a new one. So when they contacted me that they wanted me to showcase this, I was kind of, yeah, I was so happy. So the new one that they came out with is infused with citrus, and this is what it looks like. And today I'm going to show you ways that I've been incorporating this Biotin serum into my hair regimen. This product that they sell contains, and it always contains like 3 key ingredients. The first one is biotin. We all know that biotin helps with our hair growth and such, and biotin also, when you intake it, it helps. This one is not for intaking. You don't take it, okay? You take it like this. You can take it like this, and you can even apply it to your hair, to your edges, to grow your edges like that. You can also add it into products, and I'm going to show you different ways that you're going to add it into products. The second ingredient that they have in their product is known as Serum sativum pea sprout extract, and this also helps with your hair growth, with boosting it. And the last one is provitamin B5. So more information you can find in the description area. So let's just get on right now and let's start making that recipe. So in this recipe, I will be incorporating the Biotin hair serum into my deep conditioner. So I'm taking a deep conditioner that I'm mixing together that is infused with fenugreek, and I'm mixing it also with a deep conditioner that is infused with ambuno and other properties that help. Now, adding that hair Biotin serum into this mixture, it gives it a good boost. So make sure that when you incorporate products, you have products that work hand in hand together. After I've added it in, what I do is I mix the product really well. My new concussion deep conditioner, I mix it really well, and then I apply it in my hair. When you're applying such products, you can also apply a little bit to your scalp, massage your scalp, but when you're applying it, make sure you are coating each strand of the hair. One thing I like about the Pureauty Naturals hair Biotin hair serum is that you can also apply it to your head. When you distribute it through your fingers through damp hair, what happens is that you can put it in the hair and allow it to fully absorb. You can leave it overnight, okay? Now, one thing I love is that I have also incorporated this into a hair oil. So adding it into my hair oil, when you add it into your hair oil, you see that the serum kind of goes to the bottom, but when you add it into your hair oil, give it a good shake before you apply it onto your hair. You can use this to coat your hair strands, and also you can use this to strengthen your hair. When you apply to the length of your hair during the deep conditioning stage, or during with the time when you are moisturizing your hair, it actually strengthens your hair because of B5 vitamin. It strengthens your hair, it minimizes shedding, and does all that wonderful stuff. Comment in below if you've ever used the hair serum boosting method. Let us know what kind of method you use to boost hair growth. This is one of the favorite things that I like to add, and I'm going to show you my hair right now. So I've already coated my hair with it, and I put my hair into these sections, and see, so what I do is that during the day, you know, so like the next day, I just take a little bit of it, massage it on my palm, on my finger, not palm, on my finger, and I apply it to my scalp, and I give my scalp a very good massage, and I massage it into my scalp for about 5 minutes like this. and I repeat the same thing on the other side. You get it through the length of your hair. Okay, you let it go through the length of your hair and let it coat the hair strands like that. So you can even concentrate it to the tip of your hair, because when you concentrate it to the ends of your hair, it really strengthens it. Because if you have someone that you have issues with the ends of your hair breaking, just get a little bit of the serum, put it to the ends of your hair like that, and then make sure you massage it like that. So those are my tips. Look in the description area for code and different information on how you save money getting these products. I love it, and I won't bring it to you if I didn't. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.